Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find elevation on Google Maps. So in order to do this, first of all open up your maps. Now simply search for a place where you want to find the elevation. For example, I will search for Annapurna in Nepal. Now this is the place that I want to find the elevation for. So what I will do is simply search for it, then it will show up that place. Now what you can also do is drop a point where you want to see the elevation for and zoom in. Now, you'll have to make sure one thing that you click on this small layers icon at the top right and choose terrain. Not satellite, not default, but terrain. Now, when you choose terrain, it will show up the map something like this. Now, as you can see, it shows the number of the elevation. When you zoom in, you will see these small numbers appearing. So this place currently has 5,200 meters elevation level, whereas this point has 6,400 meters elevation level. So that is how you find elevation on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.